Our staff goes the extra mile to ensure our clients walk away happy and satisfied. So we're excited to share our latest rave review written by one of our valued customers. And this is one of our latest customer reviews. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every client to ensure that we meet their expectations. Customer satisfaction is extremely important to our company. We want to earn your business the best way we know how by providing you with the best customer service possible. Come and see what we can do for you today. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.